Is your iPhone battery dying before the day is even over? You're probably missing a few settings that are draining it in the background without you even knowing. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what to turn off and what to turn on to get significantly more battery life out of your iPhone. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos. The first is adaptive power. Go to Settings, then Battery, then Power Mode, and turn on Adaptive Power. Adaptive Power learns how you use your iPhone throughout the day and automatically adjusts performance and power consumption in the background to match. So if your iPhone knows you're in a low activity period, like a meeting or sleeping, it will intelligently reduce power usage without you doing anything. Next is optimized battery charging. Go to Settings, then Battery, then Charging, and make sure optimized battery charging is turned on. Your iPhone actually learns your daily routine. If you charge overnight, it will charge up to 80% quickly, then pause, and only finish the last 20% right before you wake up. This reduces the amount of time your battery sits at 100%, which is actually what degrades it over time. Long term, this keeps your battery healthier for years. The next one is always on display. If you have an iPhone 14 Pro or newer, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and turn off Always on Display. Always on Display keeps your screen partially active even when your iPhone is locked. It looks great, but your screen is your biggest battery drain. Turning this off means your display goes completely dark when locked, which makes a noticeable difference in how long your battery lasts through the day.
This one is auto brightness. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and scroll down to make sure auto brightness is turned on. Your screen brightness is the single biggest factor in how fast your battery drains. Auto brightness uses your iPhone's ambient light sensor to automatically lower the screen when you're in a dark room and raise it when you're outside. Most people manually set their brightness high and leave it there. Auto brightness handles this for you and saves battery without you thinking about it.
Next, turn off background app refresh. Go to Settings, then General, then Background app refresh, and either turn it off completely or go through the list and disable it for apps that don't need to update in the background. Social media apps, news apps, shopping apps, they're all constantly pulling new data even when your screen is off. Turning this off means they only update when you actually open them, which saves a surprising amount of battery throughout the day. Next up is location services. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Go through your apps and change any that are set to always to either while using or never. When an app has always-on location access, it's pinging your GPS constantly in the background, even when you're not using it. Switching these to while using means the app can only access your location when you're actually in it. Much easier on your battery. Within location services, there's significant locations. While you're still in location services, scroll down and tap System Services. Then tap Significant Locations. This is one of the most hidden settings on your iPhone. Significant Locations quietly tracks everywhere you go and saves your location history on your device. Apple uses it for things like map suggestions and Siri predictions. Most people have no idea it's running. You can turn it off completely and clear the history, and your iPhone will stop logging your movements in the background.
Next is 5G Smart Data Mode. Go to Settings, then Cellular, then Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data, and select 5G Auto instead of 5G On. 5G is fast, but it uses a lot more power than 4G LTE. With 5G Auto, your iPhone only switches to 5G when it actually makes a difference, like when you're streaming or downloading something large. For everything else, it drops back to LTE automatically, saving meaningful battery throughout the day.
This one is also crucial. Turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi completely. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and toggle it completely off. Then go back and tap Bluetooth and toggle that off too. Here's something most people don't know. If you swipe down to Control Center and turn off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth from there, it doesn't actually turn them off. It just disconnects you temporarily, and they turn back on automatically. The only way to fully turn them off is from inside settings, or ask Siri. So if you're leaving the house for a long period of time and you know you won't need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, go into settings and turn them off properly. Your iPhone won't be searching for networks and devices in the background, and you'll notice your battery lasting significantly longer. And there you go. Settings that most iPhone users have never touched, and every single one of them is quietly draining your battery in the background. Try these out and see how much longer your battery lasts through the day. If this helped you, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. And leave a comment below if there's an iPhone tip you want me to cover next.